So children, in the previous video we have seen question number 2 and 3 of practice set 11.2 on a graph paper. Now see, read question number 4 from page number 72 and we will complete this question number 4 on a graph paper. Now what is the question? In the following table, data of the transport means used by students in 8th standard for commutation between home and school is given. We have to draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. As already the table of means of communication, then the name of the towns Paitan, Yola and Shahpur is already given. The students which will go by cycle, then by bus and auto and on foot, it is given. So now in the solution table what we have to do? We have to do the total of Paitan village, then Yola and Shahpur town, and one by one we have to write down the total. So we have to show both the bars in this graph paper. So let's see how to show. First of all, you have to draw the x-axis. In this way you will draw x-axis and y-axis. Put an arrow on both the sides, write down y-axis and write down origin O. And now on x-axis you have to write down the name of the town. So here town, and here on x-axis, here in this question what I have done, in the previous questions I told you to leave one box only and then draw the bar. So if we are showing this only 3 informations, that is 3 towns Paitan, Yola, Shahpur, or 2 towns, because the less number of information of towns is given, that's why what I have done here, I have left 2 boxes from the y-axis, this 2 boxes. But if you are leaving 2 boxes, then every time you have to leave 2 boxes only. This will not be done. If you here you have to show, if you are leaving 2 boxes and here you are leaving 1 box, then it will be incorrect. The graph will be incorrect. So every time in between the width from the y-axis up to Paitan and Yola and Shahpur, you are leaving now 2 boxes from each other. So now on y-axis, what scale you have to take? On y-axis you will write down students, okay? And now scale. What here? Which scale is given? The scale is already given in the question. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 500. So that here on the right side corner you have to write 1 centimeter is equal to 500 students, as we are showing number of students on y-axis. Now here information about cycle, students going by bicycle, then students going by bus and auto, and students going on foot. These 3 informations we have to fill in a single bar. So one by one what you have to show here, cycle you have to show the shaded part, then bus and auto you will leave plain as it is, and on foot completely shaded, that is dark part. In this way you can show these 3 information by different coloring or different way in a single bar graph. Now here on y-axis, as 1 centimeter is 500, so what we have to do, from 0 to the first box, that is 1 centimeter is 500, then the distance between each box will be 500. So the next box will be 1000, then 1500, then 2000, 2500, 3000. In this way up to 5000 you can note down, or 5500, or you can show here 6000 also. Okay, now come towards the question table. Now here first see the box of Paitan. What information given is about Paitan? In Paitan the number of students going by cycle, they are 3250. Then bus and auto, students going by bus and auto are 750, and on foot 1000, and total is what? Total is 5000. So here we have done the total of all the 3 number of students, that is cycle, bus and auto and on foot. So 500 we will mark, 5000 we will mark here. So put 2 dots about here and draw a vertical line also and horizontal line also. Now in this way we have drawn up to 0, 5000, from 5000 towards 0 on x-axis. So this is the total bar of 5000 students, total number of students which are going by bicycle, by bus and auto and on foot. Now one by one we will show the symbols, whatever you have shown here on axis, that is on scale, that we will show in the single box, that is in the single bar. Now first here students going on foot, what we will show? Students going on foot. How many students are going on foot in Python? 1000. So where is 1000 here? This is 1000. So let mark 1000 over here, put 2 dots and then join 1000. This will be your 1000. Okay. So now for on foot, 1000 means on foot. So on foot, which symbol we are showing? This, the shaded part. So here you have to shade it dark in this way. You can shade it like this, dark portion. And now this is on foot is over, and now what you have to show? The next part is, the next part will be what? On foot is over. So next is what? Bus and auto. Bus and auto, how many students are going? How many students are going? 750. Yes. So let's see how we can show 750 in this box. You can shade it dark over here, as the shaded part we are showing the dark part for on foot. Okay. Now dark part we have shown, and now the plain part. The plain part is for bus and auto. See, the plain part is for bus and auto. Okay. So now bus and auto is 750. So now from 1000, where 750 will come? So for 1000, from 1000 to 1500, this will be 500, and 500, from 500 to this dark line, this will be 250, because each box is of 500. So what is the half of 500? It is 250. So this line will be 250 from this, and from here 1000, from 1000 this will be 1500, and here 1250. This will be 500 plus 250 will be 750. So on by bus and auto, how many children are going? 750. So mark it over here as 750. Have you understood, children, how 750 will come? This box is of 500 and this plus 250. 500 250 means by, that is of 750. And now rest is what? Rest of the students are going by cycle. So rest of the students are going for bicycle. So bicycle students are 3250. So this will be the half portion of 250. And let's see these boxes, how many number of students are there. From here this is 250. From here to here again 500, again 500, again 500. So in this way let's count. This 500 plus 500, 1000, again 500 plus 500, 2000, again 500 plus 500, that is 3000. So this complete measure is 3000 and this smallest part is 250. So 3250 is there for bicycle, number of students going by bicycle. So by bicycle, which part we are showing? The shaded part, like this, by drawing lines diagonally. So now in the single bar, how much information we have shown here? On bus and auto, then bicycle, and on foot also. 3 types of information we have shown over here in a single bar. So this is all about. Now children, the Python part is over. Now let's see about Yeola. Now see the table. Yeola, total number of students is 3000. So count 3000 now. Which line is coming here? 3000. This will be 3000. Put 2 dots and join a horizontal line and draw a single bar from 3000 towards 0, that is on x-axis. Now we have drawn the total bar. Now first what we are showing here, on foot. On foot we are showing from downwards. So on foot how many students are going in Yola? On foot 1000 students. So where is 1000 line? Here. So this will be the bar of 1000, and let's start shading the dark shaded part. Okay children, in this way you will show the dark part. Then on foot is over. Now let's see about bus and auto. How many students have gone by bus and auto in Yola? 500. So let's see from here to upward, this is the 500 distance. So let's join it, put 2 dots and join. This portion is of the number of students going by bus and auto, the plain part, and this dark part is on foot. Okay, in this way we have to show the dark part for on foot, the plain part for bus and auto, and now rest of the part is for bicycle. Now see how many students are going by bicycle here. 1500. Let's see, it is 1500 or not. This first box is of 500. 500 plus 500, 1000. 1000 plus 500 is 1500. And now shade it. The cycle part you are showing by drawing diagonals, the lines, these lines, diagonal lines. This is all about Yola. Now take the Shahpur part. Shahpur part, here total students are in Shahpur. Already we have written the total, that is 2250. So now here this is 1000, this is 500, this is 1000, this is 1500, this is 2000. Now 2250 where will come? Here in the middle part. This will be 2000 and this will be your 2250. So put 2 dots, then join a horizontal line and draw 2 vertical lines to draw a single bar. Now in this bar we have to show 3 information. Now let's see on foot. On foot we will show first. So how many number of students are going in Shahpur on foot? That is, in the table it is given 500. So from 0 to 500, these many students are going on foot. So let's count it and let's shade it. This will be the part of, the dark part is of on foot. In this way you will shade it. And now rest of the part, the next part is by bus and auto. How many students are going by bus and auto? See the table. By bus and auto again 500. So from here, from this line to upward line, this 500. So let's mark it. This plain part is the number of students going by bus and auto, and rest of the students are going by bicycle. So how many students are going by bicycle? 1250. So from here to here it is 500, and from this box to this box it is again 500, that is 500 plus 500 is 1000, and after 1000 the smallest part, the middle line is of 250. So here the complete part is of the number of students going by bicycle from home to school. So these are the means of communication which we have shown on a graph of paper, and 3 information we have shown in the subdivided bar graph. We have divided this single bar in 3 parts, showing the cycle part, the bus and auto, and on foot. Students going on foot, students going by bus and auto, and students going on cycle. In this way we have completed. And once again I am telling you, if you are leaving these 2 boxes from the y-axis, here also you will show 2 boxes, leave the 2 boxes, here leave 2 boxes, and so on. The same width you have to manage over here and then complete it. I have drawn this complete part. I will send you the picture also. Till then you complete it. Thank you.